All right, so I'm going to walk through how to get at the information that I think you need, or something close to it. You may need to tweak this a little bit to get exactly what you want, but hopefully this kind of explains what you need. So the issue is, as I understand it, that we've got a good referral date on the referral table in the created date. However, in all the other tables, that created date is the actual date the record was created. And that's kind of good database structure and programming. What you guys want is really the date that you specified the referral started or was created, and that's that date that you're manually overriding. So we basically need to tie the referral to the contact. And so I'm going to show you how to do that, and a query is the way to do that, to tie these different tables together so that you're not trying to pick through and decipher what the different values on some of the tables mean. So to do this, I'm going to use create and use query design. The first thing I need to do is figure out or choose the tables that are involved, the tables that have the information that I need. So the first one, the main one, you're dealing with the contacts. So I'm going to grab the contact table. And then we know that the good date that you want is on the referral table, so I'm going to grab that. And then the numbers that you use that referral number, or also known as the manual ID, and that's on that referral number generator table that we looked at when I was in your office a week or two ago. And that table really ties the automatically generated referral ID to the manual ID that you all override and enter. So those are the three tables that we need. Next, I want to specify what fields do I care about. So what do I actually want to see when I run my query? So again, I'm kind of taking a guess just after reading your email kind of quickly. So forgive me if I'm missing pieces, but I think this is going to give you what you need, and then you can get you close, and then you can make some changes as needed. So I'm going to get the first name, last name, and middle name. As I double click those, you can see they're added down below. These are the fields that I want to see when my query runs. I'm also going to grab the created date because the referral date was important there. And then I'm going to grab the referral ID, that's the automatically generated one, and then the manual ID, that's the one that you guys just override. You can type in as if you guys are doing manual entry, that's what that was added for. So at this point, this is going to pull back all of the referrals. So let's run the query, and we'll see the results that are coming back. So here we've got first, middle, last name, the created date, the referral ID, and the manual ID. And again, the created date off the referral table is the one that we want here. So I think that should get you close. Now, if you want to start getting a little bit fancier in terms of the dates, and it sounded like you maybe wanted everything in 2016, for example, we can go back into the query here in Design View, and we can take a look at the criteria here. And so the criteria I'm interested in is, let's say I want everything greater than 12/31/2015 for that referral date. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. And so you see now that we've only got items or referrals that were created in 2016. So that's how you can kind of tweak the values there to get exactly what you want. So it's this criteria item where you can do a comparison of some values. I'm also going to show you one more view here. It's the SQL view. So if you prefer this, if you have some experience writing SQL queries, you could type in the query as well. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into an email for you so you've got a copy of it. So you can either create it visually using the design view, or you can create it manually by typing out the query, or you can use a combination of the two to kind of tweak things. So if I now know, oh, I want a slightly different date here, let's say I want to go back a year, I can make the change here, go ahead and run again, and I'm going to get new results. Okay. All right, let me know how that goes. If it makes sense, shoot me an email, let me know, and if there's more information that you need and this video process works well for you, I can continue using that to show you what I'm talking about, and that way it's kind of nice. You can replay it and watch it at your own pace and kind of play along that way. So hope this helps. Let me know how it goes. Thanks.